Good girl, Kana. Good girl. Oh, you are the cutest thing. You are the cutest thing, aren't you? Kana. So cute, huh? Hasn't got enough attention yet.
Good morning from Colby, Kansas, Walmart parking lot. We are just waking up, had our coffee, had the dog out for a walk, and now we're going to get on the road and make our way over the state line to Colorado.
Woohoo!
Yay!
So this particular Walmart is very RV friendly. They allow overnight parking for RVs, campers, and also semi-drivers. I know, it's not really glamorous, is it? No.
Hard-boiled eggs, just getting rid of them out of the fridge.
Breakfast of champion. Breakfast of champion.
Ready? You ready, girl? You ready?
Uh-oh. Where'd he go? Where's he going? Where are we?
She hates Colorado.
Where are we? Huh? Kana. Hi. Aw. Kansas. Colorado. So, as you can see, we're not in Kansas anymore.
We're in colorful Colorado.
Welcome to Colorado, and I think we're gonna spend a lot of time here in the next couple weeks. Temperature is gonna be awesome.
Better than Kansas.
Better than
And
Kentucky.
Yeah, Kentucky was really hot.
Yeah. So you're still in Kansas on that side. There we go. Colorado.
You ready? Okay, let's go. Oh, it's locked.
Oh, sorry. There we go.
Let's go.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
Hello, this is a message for Bernie. Bernie, my name is Michael, and I am actually at your shop right now. I am having trouble with my RV air conditioner.
So we are currently in Stratton, Colorado. We stopped by in a place called Bernie's RV's repair shop, I think, because we do have a few problems with our air conditioning and maybe some electrical issues. So we thought to stop by to have it looked at, but he's not here.
I'm gonna run over to the Napa store just to see if anybody knows anything in there.
Okay.
Bernie sounds really nice on the telephone, and his online reviews are really good, so we trust him enough to wait here for a few hours.
Yeah.
He is in Denver today, so he told us to pull up at the Conoco station, get into an RV spot, stay there for a few hours, and when he gets back, he'll take a look at it. So I am going to do some stuff around the RV. Holliff is going to take Kana for a walk.
This is like a really small town, Colorado.
Yeah.
So we're gonna check out what they have here. Okay. All right, let's go, Kana. It's definitely a small town USA with not much happening, but we're gonna be here for a couple more hours before we hit back on the road. Hi, puppy. Good girl, Kana. Oh, they have a dog spot here, Kana. Holy moly. You see all these big birds? Are they eagle? Wow, look at that. It's like a condor or something. What is it, Kana? Oh, yard of the month. Check out all these skulls, guys. It's all in the yard of the month. Got a deer too. Very interesting. Very, very interesting.
You always just want to go back to the van, don't you?
She knows where she lives. What you making, Michael?
I'm just cooking up our vegetables that have been sitting around too long while we have the electricity here.
It smells good. This is the first time cooking inside the van.
It is.
Next on the list is laundry. They have a laundry mat right here, so showers and laundry. This little laundry mat. Just bought the laundry detergent from the store because we didn't have any laundry detergent yet. But it's just gonna be all coins operated, so we'll figure out what to do here. Add detergent, then add the clothes, then add bleach if needed. Close the lid, complete the process, which is the quarters and everything else, and then press the start. And we need more detergent here. My first laundry load. Almost done. We've been waiting for about 5 hours now, and finally Bernie made it back home to his shop from Denver. So right now Michael and Bernie trying to figure out what's wrong with our van. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed we're gonna fix it, or they're gonna figure something out. I don't think he's a Bernie Sanders fan.
I don't care as long as you can fix this.
Yes.
All right, Bernie's RV repair shop, and it turns out he doesn't have the parts to fix it. Looks like the motor's fried in the air conditioning unit. So we're gonna have to find a dealer who deals in the newer model Dometic air conditioners. Bernie's an interesting character. He's an interesting guy, but I got the feeling that he's super honest. And
so our journey continues. We are heading out to a bigger city, which is Colorado Springs. That's where we're gonna stay for the night.
every time one of those trucks go by, I get sucked over.
That's crazy.
And you're enjoying every minute of it.
Who?
You.
No. Makes me nervous.
Comes another one.
We just kill our succulent plant. Or just at least a pot. Kana, what did you do? Ew.
I know everybody thinks that van life is the most glamorous, glorious, luxurious way to travel around the world and around America. Sometimes, but not tonight. We're staying at the fabulous Walmart Supercenter Resort in Falcon, Colorado, just outside Colorado Springs. We have a round trip ticket for 2. So we are going to head to an RV shop that's about 1.5 miles from here, and hopefully be one of the first people there, because RVs are big this season and a lot of people can't take you for a couple of months. So we're hoping this is an easy fix, and hopefully it won't be that expensive. We are here at an RV store getting our air conditioner replaced.
As usual, when Michael is dealing with the RV stuff, me and Kana just hanging out and waiting for him. And there's a few RVs here that just really caught my attention. So we're gonna walk over, just check them out, but I'm gonna show you guys. Alright guys, check this out. This is a cool Airstream. Nope, not this Harley. Or, it's not Harley, I don't know what that is. Isn't it funny, once you start getting into the RV life, the van life, you start noticing other people's vans and RVs. I'm turning into an RV geek. Start seeing the mountain range not too far, so hopefully we're gonna hit those pretty soon. Fixable.
Does this have a furnace in it?
Yep.
Got things to look at. Is it done?
I think we're gonna need a new generator.
Are you serious?
It's funny because it's only got 14 hours on it, 14 and a half hours on it. There's something about it, I don't know, I don't understand the electrical system in it, but there's not throwing enough power in it, so.
That can be right, you just knew.
That's what he said. We got the air conditioning unit fixed, but
How much is that?
probably a generator is going to cost between $5,000 and $6,000.
Are you serious? Stop it!
Turns out the generator's fine. It's just what's happening is that when the compressor kicks in, something to do with the capacitors on the air conditioner are turning the generator off. We need a new air conditioner, which is going to cost $1,300 plus labor. So we're into today for about $1,600.
Since we're gonna be here for a couple of hours waiting for our RV to be replaced, the AC unit of our van to be replaced, might as well just picnicking here in the picnic table available at the RV shop. Glorious day in Colorado.
$1,600 breakfast.
Van life.
Waiting for the RV repair.
Our old AC. AC is on right now. Okay, it's promising.
Turned it all the way down later until I got it.
Okay.
He's done. He's got it working. I actually don't care what it costs now. I just want to get in there. I do care what it costs.
That's a cool one. And I love this guy too, actually. Really, really cool. One in a kind.
Saw all the stickers on the back.
Oh, wow. That is interesting. Oh, they went to Peru too. That's awesome. I was asking whether this van was actually for sale.
She lets homeless people sometimes stay in it.
But no, it's just an old lady who needs something get done here to repair. Oh, I guess it's moving now.
That Prevost right next to us makes ours seem really cheap. It's $2.6 million new.
Damn.
If you look inside of it though, it's really beautiful.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, man. This is inside the Provost. Holy crap. I'm not gonna get so detailed into it, but I'm just gonna peek inside. It is like Las Vegas bar. Alright, thank you so much. I'm gladly to say this really nice, but it's not my style.
That goes gallons per mile, not miles per gallon.
Crazy, but it is very nice.
And
very,
insurance
very
on
nice.
that would kill you.
The AC is working now. Yay! And that makes Kana happy. Good girl, Kana. What you looking at? Oh, who's that?
Grand total was $1,824. Yeah, 4 hours. They didn't charge us for all the labor, but they charged us for 3 hours. They have a dump station here they're gonna let us use for free.
The joy of van life keeps adding up, isn't it? Expensive day. This is the fun part. We need to empty out our black water and also gray water, which is basically our toilet and, you know, all the shower and washable water. All right, there's some important panels here. So here we get the sewer outlet connection, and we got the gray water valve, we got the black water valve, and then the fresh water valve.
You dump your black water first because all the crap and pee gets in the hose. Then you dump your gray water second because that's usually just water with soap in it from the shower or from washing dishes. And then you flush the system out with fresh water, and then you fill it all back up. You probably hold that there, put your foot on it. I'm holding something called a macerator, which turns something around inside the system to make sure everything is
To chop up the
chopped
solids.
up. Yeah.
I'm not gonna try to mask it. It didn't really smell as pretty as you probably imagine, but it has to be done. Someone has to do it, and that would be us, or at least Michael.
Both the gray water tanks and the black water tanks are full of fresh water.
Okay,
Lift that up.
lift this up.
Just lift it up and look, watch it come out.
Okay. Oh, you got the idea. And folks, that's how it's done.
Well, we hope so. We're guessing. Except you're supposed to be wearing gloves, so we'll have to wash our hands after this. We don't have gloves.
And the last thing we need to do is to fill up the fresh water from the city tap water into our van.
This is a pressure regulator that we put on it to fill it up, and it keeps it from going over 20 pounds per square inch because we don't know what the pressure is on this, so it's always best to get a pressure regulator.
This is a retreat after a long, tough day.
Yeah, I mean, I figure we already spent almost $2,000. What's another? Come on in, light up a smoke while you're pumping your gas. Maybe they're talking about a barbecue smoker. Going for a walk around the springs, whatever the place is called.
Manitou Springs.
Manitou Springs.
So do you see the mountain right there? Way in the background? That's Pikes Peak. It's a cute little town.
It is nice, and it's a beautiful day too. It's like a really good temperature. Kana's really enjoying herself,
Yep.
sniffing everything.
And I think the city has a mask ordinance. Even when you walk around, you have to wear it.
Which is a good thing.
Maggie's Farm, retail marijuana. Colorado is one of the first states that legalized marijuana. So we have a lot of smoke shops here. There's a lot of CBD. CBD?
CBD, we don't want CBD.
CBD
I
is-
got CBD.
Oh well.
CBD doesn't do nothing for you. Not that way anyway.
Alright, we'll keep walking.
You might get stung. There's honeybees on there.
Honeybees. Yeah, don't get stung.
We're gonna go into the Manitou Brewing Company and have a pint. She wants an IPA.
She does?
Yeah.
She told you that?
Yeah.
Give it a
Incredible
try.
puppy ale.
What you getting?
High ground IPA. Looks like it's the best one, so.
And I think I got the grapefruit sparkler IPA. Nice. Thank you. Roast?
Roast. That tastes as good as it smells. Actually, it's like a Hopscutioner, but more full-bodied and hoppy. It's really good.
It's a little bit bitter of the grapefruit, for sure. It's refreshing. That's what you need for the summertime. Refreshing beer.
Hey, Kana. Hey, buddy. Hey girl.
It's a dog-friendly brewery.
It is, yeah, we got a lot of dogs here today. They have really strict rules about how you can move around here, which is good too. Like tables are not to be moved, chairs are not to be moved, everyone's supposed to sit where they're really good about it here.
We have another German Shepherd puppy and he's only supposed to get that big.
That's the size German
I'm
Shepherd's
glad she's
supposed
not
to.
that big, but what's his name?
Oakley.
Oakley, this is Kana.
Oh.
Let's go. Good girl.
We have a really nice evening here in Manitou Springs, Colorado, and we're just gonna let Kana sniff around this beautiful park. It is a nice little town.
Even though our first day in Colorado started out rough and pretty expensive, we decided, you know what, we're just gonna let it go, because at the end of the day, we really enjoyed our evening in Manitou Springs. And we're super excited to continue on and see the rest of the state. So follow our journey by subscribing to our channel. And don't forget to hit that bell to get notifications. Thanks for watching. We might get Little Caesars for pizza tonight for dinner. Idiot.
Dang, B. B as in bird.
Too lazy to even stand up and eat her food.
And that's my spot, by the way. Kana, good girl.
Girl taking a spot. He can sleep on the floor.
You're right. It's a Blackwater incident. Sorry. Just kidding. Just rinse off. It's really nice. It's a boondock shower.